Hey guys, welcome to today's home product review. Today is all about this Bissell ProHeat 2x Revolution carpet cleaner. Now, I've been looking for a carpet shampoo or carpet cleaner for like the last 6 months. I've read all the blogs, I've done all my research, and this thing keeps popping up across the board as #1. In this video, I'm going to give you a rundown of some of the features of this machine, a first impressions of when I first set the machine up, including how easy it is to actually assemble the machine, and then a side-by-side comparison of the two nozzles that it comes with. This is the 2-in-1 Pet Upholstery Tool, and this is just the standard one. So let's first real quick talk about Bissell as a company. Now, this video is not sponsored. I am not affiliated with Bissell at all. When I was originally doing my research, I had my eye on a Hoover machine, but what kind of sealed the deal for me to spend my dollars with Bissell is that they have a Bissell Pet Foundation, and what that foundation aims to do is to help out homeless pets. They go into shelters and they try to place those pets into homes. They help with puppy mills and they help with hoarding situations. I am a puppy mama of 2, and I thought that this was a perfect product to support and bring into my own home. Purchased it off Amazon, and I've been working with it for the past few weeks. I wanted to give you my final honest opinion on it. Now let's dive into some of the features of this bad boy. Now, it is called the ProHeat series for a reason. It actually has a built-in heater that heats up your hot tap water 25 degrees hotter than what your hot tap water actually is. So it gets you an optimal clean, but still keeping it at a safe temperature so it doesn't melt your carpets. I really like that there are 2 separate water tanks. This is the clean water tank. It holds 1 gallon. Super easy to get in and out. This is your cap that you twist off and fill in here. Hi, buddy. And this is the dirty water tank. Super easy to get in and out as well. There's just this little flappy on the back where you can just pour your dirty water down the toilet. And then in here is a filter. You do need to wipe this down. It even says wipe debris from the red filter regularly. You do need to wipe this down every time you empty your dirty water tank. I noticed the machine would kind of make a weird noise if I didn't do that. So definitely that needs to be a part of your cleaning regimen when you're emptying this out. This is where the hose goes into, and this whole front comes off relatively easy for easy cleaning. Now, the brush rolls in here are super sturdy, super scrubby, and they do a really great job of cleaning the carpet. Now, over here, this is a clean shot pre-treater that when the machine is on, you just kind of click that on with your foot and it'll do a continuous spray out here, and then just kind of click it off. Now, that feature is not totally necessary. You can go around and pre-treat your floors with just like a spray cleaner. I didn't really use this much, but it's kind of nice. This is the hose it comes with. It's really long. I think it's about 10 feet. And this is the power cord. It's, I think, 22 feet. It's really standard. Both are very, very durable. And Jackson is very interested in it. The machine itself is pretty lightweight for it being a shampooer. I can carry it up and down the stairs, no problem, and I can store it in a regular closet where I would store it like a stand-up vacuum. There are 3 different cleaning modes to this. There's Max Clean, Deep Clean, and Express Clean. The Express dries in about 30 minutes. The Deep Clean dries in about probably 3 to 4 hours, and then the Max Clean dries in about 8 hours. And that's what the manual says, and that's what I found to be true. Now, this machine came with 2 different trial size versions of their formula. The one was antibacterial and one was just standard formula. Now, I got 3 full tanks using one of the trial size bottles. Ooh, fancy bag for a hose. So nice. Click. Done. So the screw is right here. This is what the screw looks like, and it goes right into this little hole. Is that even doing anything? What is going on? It's not catching. So I just took this piece off because I was having a hard time getting the screw to actually thread through the hole, just because I think the hole on the inside isn't threaded perfectly for this. There might be a little extra plastic. So I'm just going to go ahead and take it back out now that the receiver side that will latch onto this is a little bit threaded already. You really got to put some pressure into this. Okay, so to get your accessories on here, you just line up this little peg with this little hole and then clip it right in there. To detach it, push this little button down and then just pull it off. Same thing with this one. Line it up, click it in there, and then this is the spray nozzle for both heads. Mine came with these two trial size cleaning solutions. This is the Pet Stain and Odor Antibacterial solution, and this is the Professional Pet Urine Eliminator with OxiClean. Since I didn't know how much you needed to use in a tank of these, I just went ahead and bought this one. This is the 3X Pet Pro OxiClean Urine Eliminator formula. I'm just going to be using this trial size for now, and then we'll go from there. This is the clean water tank, and you see on this bottle here it says easy fill. Apparently you can unscrew this and just kind of snap it into the top of here and fill in exactly how much you need of this solution, but I kind of think that's redundant because you have to unscrew this cap to put your water in there. I would probably just pour the solution in there while I have this cap unscrewed. This seems like kind of a gimmicky feature. I don't know, maybe it'll come in handy like if you're mid cleaning sesh and you need to add a little bit more. I'm not sure. If you guys use this easy fill thing and it's a game changer, let me know, because right now I'm just looking at it as like whatever, a little redundant. Let's go fill some hot water and some cleaning solution in here and get going. So on the back there are different water and formula levels for express clean, easy fill, and max deep clean. So we're gonna do this one. Then this is the trial size that came with the machine. I'm going to put it in here so it kind of matches up to the line. Now this is on the cheaper end of carpet. When I was first renovating this house, I thought I was going to put tenants up here, and I thought that I'd have to change out the carpet, you know, every 2 or 3 years. This carpet's been in for 3 years and it's held up really nicely. I will link it below. It's from Home Depot. But right here we had a sick puppy have some accidents, and this is what we are going to try to get up today. Recommended cleaning pace is 12 inches per second. So I'm just going to start from like that molding over to the door jamb. That's about 4 feet. So that should take me 4 seconds. So I'm going to do 2 slow wet passes, 1 forward, 1 back, and then that would be holding the trigger, and then 2 dry slow passes forward and back, not holding the trigger. We're going to go to max clean. Alright, so it's definitely damp. Feels like it did the job. It smells really good, but this part is not dirty at all, so you can't really see a difference. We'll probably be able to really see the difference once we get over here. So let me just keep moving that way. So you can obviously tell the difference between the part that I did and the part that I have not done yet. Wow, that stain is like, wow, this is awesome. Wow. All right, I have done this whole section right here and it looks pretty darn good, but my clean water tank is out of water. I have the windows closed because it's raining and it's getting stuffy in here. For each cleaning tank, you get roughly 100 square feet of cleaning area. The first time I did it, I got about 80 square feet because I went over some areas a few more times than I did others. So about 80 to 100 square feet per clean water tank. So let's talk about cleaning attachments. This is the 2-in-1 Pet Upholstery Tool, and this is just the standard tool. Now, truth be told, I bought this machine for this attachment. I have 2 dogs, and I was like, ooh, really intrigued by the dual system of this. You can turn it to dry, vacuum up what you need to vacuum up, turn it to wet, and then use this head as an actual shampooer. Now, I've used this and I've used this side by side, and this one is actually better. Like, I'm pretty bummed because I paid a lot of extra money to get this nozzle, but the thing that I found is the suction on here just isn't that great, especially when you have it on the dry mode to vacuum up what you need to vacuum up. The suction is pretty pathetic. And the suction on the wet portion is okay. It's comparable to this one, but it's just nothing leaps and bounds above this. So I would go in when I was kind of doing a side-by-side comparison. Using this one, I would end up using this one to go back over and suck up more of the wetness that was still left on my cushions. So you can definitely buy the machine that does not have this head. Let me just explain to you a little bit further how each of these work. So on this nozzle, the water comes out here and then you kind of scrub back and then scrub forward and then do a dry pass and get all of the excess moisture. This one, all of the water is kind of contained in this unit, so it's a little bit more satisfying to use maybe. Bissell does make a ProHeat series carpet cleaner that does not come with this 2-in-1 pet upholstery tool. It's about, I think, $50–60 cheaper, and in hindsight, I probably would have gone with that one instead of being suckered in to buying this one. But I will have them both linked down below so you can look them up and do your own side-by-side comparisons. So for my final thoughts, I love this machine. It is definitely Whitney approved and I will be using it on a very regular basis. I love what Bissell is doing with the Bissell Pet Foundation, and the machine works really, really great. So if you are in the market for getting yourself a carpet cleaner, definitely think about this one. If you like videos like this, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out, and consider subscribing and joining the Whitney fam, because I make videos here almost every week on DIYs, how-tos, upcycles, thrift flips, and home product review, and I would love to have you join me here on this channel. Okay, I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.